In our previous lessons, we've learned how to populate our test cases with concrete data. However, in real-life testing scenarios, we don't always have static data available, or we might not want to enter static data to our test cases. So what do we do when we want our test cases to use dynamic data, such as date, time, randomly generated text or other expressions? In this lesson, we will go through how you can do this with Tricentis Tosca. We'll cover how to generate both randomized numeric and text expressions in Tricentis Tosca. So in Tosca, it's possible to input dynamic data into test cases thanks to dynamic expressions. Dynamic expressions are used if values are needed for test specification that are not generated until the test cases are executed. These may include item-dependent values, so for example a transaction number, a customer number, and so on. Or time-dependent values. So that would be, for example, today's date, a credit card expiration date, a delivery date, and so on. Dynamic dates will be covered thoroughly in the next lesson. The syntax used for generating special characters and dynamic values in Tosca Commander follows the example shown on screen. So we need a syntax and a command or a parameter, or both of those. Let's apply this to an example. We want a random number with 5 digits, so the expression would be RND 5. Let's try it out using the translate value function. This function will turn your expression into a value if your syntax is correct. Now we want a random number between 3 and 9. For this, we use RND and the limiting parameters 3 and 9. RND decimal generates random decimals to a specified number of digits and specified number of decimal places. We can do the same with text. The expression random text allows you to generate a string of randomized numbers and letters with a specified length. When using dynamic expressions, keep in mind that precise values, special characters, and dynamic values can be combined with one another. For example, you can multiply randomly generated numbers together. As demonstrated before, translate value can be used to test your expressions before execution. However, please note that the randomly generated value you get using translate value won't be the same one you will get at runtime. Tricentis provides you with an extensive list of special characters and expressions in the online manual.